Welcome to BUW. Come see our closure wigs. We have it in straight, waterway, deep wave, and body wave. This is our 4x4 closure. As you can see, we have straps that you can adjust. We also provide the natural lace, this stretch.
These are our 180% density wigs. We have them in straight, deep wave, body wave, and water wave. Here is the inside of the cap. This is the inside. It's a very professional cap. It goes from ear to ear. It's a 13x4 frontal. You can adjust the clips if you would like, and you can add an elastic band inside. Please come down and visit us at BUW Human Hair Factory. We hope to see you soon.